What is your name?
My name is Rodeline Binal.
How old are you?
I'm 45 years old.
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have one son,
One son? How old your son?
19 years old.
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
More than 5 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes,
Where?
wait.
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
More than 5 years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Taiwan,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
600,
How many family members are they?
4 member.
Couple and
Couple and kid, 2 kids.
how old the kids when you came?
1 year old and 2 years old.
Okay, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning every 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
After I prepare the snack for the kids going to school.
Mm-hmm.
After I will cook the breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
After 7 o'clock I wake up them to clean their face, toothbrush her. He make toothbrush
Okay, then
and then
give the
7:30
breakfast.
we eat breakfast and then we leave 7:30. Send them to school.
Okay.
After, I'm going to go market
Mm-hmm.
and then go back home
Mm-hmm.
to clean the household,
Cleaning.
cleaning and ironing,
Yeah.
washing the clothes.
Yeah. Okay.
After 2:30, I pick up them in the school
Mm-hmm.
and then I bring to the activities.
Okay.
After, I will pick up them, finish activities, go back home.
Mm-hmm.
After I learn, I prepare the for dinner 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. What time do you eat for the dinner?
6:30 or 7 o'clock.
Until what time you go to sleep?
8:30 or 9 o'clock.
Where will you go on your holiday?
Sunday.
Do you meet your friends?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of household chores are you good for? What kind of household chores are you good for? Are you good in cooking?
Yes, not very good, ma'am.
But good in taking care kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Housewife.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.